Trippy. It's like a never-ending colorgasm of light and shade. These LED panels have a lot of potential. You can choose to strobe them a bit to have them induce some seizures, or you can let your friends know that the party is officially over when the police come. Bummer. You can show off your pride by displaying all the colors of the rainbow, full spectrum, as they say. You can even set the mood with a little fireplace ambiance when you're Netflix and chilling with your girl, or a girl. Or even have them react to sound with this cool new sound reactive sensor called the Rhythm.
I am Dracula. Dracula? Yes.
Offering 16 million different colors and hundreds of preset coloring effects with the ability to connect up to 30 panels in any configuration your heart desires. Smart device controlled and hundreds of effects more arriving daily. Nanoleaf Aurora LED panels are by no means a lame gadget. This is the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm Smarter Kit, and it's coming up next here on Gadget Jeff TV.
Gadget Jeff
TV. Welcome back to Gadget Jeff TV, where I do cool reviews on gadgets that I find worthy of this channel. If you do enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and following me on Instagram. I do a lot of giveaways on this channel, but you must be a subscriber on YouTube and a follower on Instagram to win. Okay, so on to the review. I first want to thank Nanoleaf for sending me this rhythm kit for the review. These are truly an amazing lighting accessory for your home, event, whatever. Now, the company Nanoleaf is located in Canada, and they offer two kits. Well, a couple of things, but mainly only two kits. The Nanoleaf Aurora, and then the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm Smarter Kit. The only difference is the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm Smarter Kit comes with the little music sensor, which allows it to be sound reactive. There's only a few things included in the kit to get you up and running. Of course, the main component, the LED panels, and you get 9 of these. The music sound reactive sensor, and 9 of these little linkers, they call them, which allow you to connect them together. The main controller, power adapter to the main controller, and 28 of these 3M mounting tapes so you can secure them to your wall or to the ceiling or to the surface area of your light. Now, I must say I really like the ease of setup that Nanoleaf produced in this product. You just simply pick where you want to put them up and use the provided tape to secure them. Then, using the little linkers I told you about, you connect one to the next in any configuration you want. Now, Nanoleaf states that the controller is capable of operating up to 30 panels. I have 2 sets of 30 panels in my house. I have connected more panels to one controller and it still operated them, but the brightness actually started to diminish. So 30 panels is really the ending point of where you want to stop when you're throwing these up together. Now, I did forget to mention in the beginning of this video that there are 9 panels included in the main kit, but to get to 30 panels, if you want a full 30, you need to buy the expansion kit, which is a set of 3 with more linkers and more things. So you can just keep adding sets of 3 up until 30 if you wish. Now, once they're all connected and hung up on your wall or your ceiling or your floor or wherever you're putting them, you connect the power supply, the controller, throw in the rhythm sensor, and you're good to go. Download the free app on your phone. Now, the app is pretty much where you can control all the features, and I'm not going to be able to go through all of them because, again, it would just be a really lengthy video. But the app is actually very well put together, very stable, and there's so many features with more being added all the time. Now, one thing I like is how quick the app opens when you just click on it. Takes about 4 or 5 seconds and we're up. Now, with controls, you have your basic on and off, brightness control, and some presets that are included with the app. You can also go to this Discover tab and download more that other users have created. You simply click on the effect that you want and it changes the panels to that effect and so on. I do find myself in the Discover tab a lot. This is where other users have created effects and then offered them for free to the marketplace. You can even see how many times it's downloaded. And look, there's even one called Netflix and Chill. So you can play that with your little fire ambiance, little bottle of wine. You know where that's gonna lead with your girl, right? Gonna get laid. Now, if you choose to get the Nanoleaf Aurora Smarter Rhythm Kit with the music sensor, there is another tab called Rhythm that you can click on, and it shows all the effects that will respond to sound. Now, I have to admit, the sound reactive sensor is quite sensitive, but you can move it around anywhere on the panel to get it away from your speaker or closer. But I've always found it to be very responsive and work well. If you have too much bass, of course, it'll just kind of go kitty wampus, if you guys know what that means. But otherwise, it's pretty great. What's even more cool is you can actually go into the paint section on the app, and you have the control to, you have the ability to paint actually each panel whatever color you wish, create your own effects, whether it be via sound reactive or just static colors or whatever, and upload them. So it's a very user-friendly interface. And lastly, there is a schedules tab, so you can set schedules for when the lights turn on or off. So if you have them in your room and you want them to wake you up in the morning to a beautiful ray of color, you can. I am thinking about getting maybe another kit of 9, putting them in my room, because here in Seattle we don't get a lot of sun most of the year, so I like to wake up to a bright light, but it can't be authentic sun, so it might have to be Nanoleaf Aurora. Now, the Nanoleaf Aurora Rhythm Smarter Kit will set you back about $200 to $230, depending on where you get it. I'll put a link in the description below to Amazon. I always recommend buying from Amazon, they're quick, but I will put a link in the description below. I'll also put a link in the description below for the 3-pack expansion kit, so if you guys want to go big and do 30 panels, you'll have to get the 3-packs. You'll have to buy, what, 7 of them? Which is, what, 7 times 3, 21, plus the 9, 30, yeah. Whew, can't believe I did that. I'm not good at math normally. So these expansion kits are about 60 bucks a piece, so if you do the math, you're running about 20 bucks a panel for these lights, which I think is worth it. They'll last forever, and they're freaking badass. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this Gadget Jeff TV episode. If you enjoyed, please give it a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys soon.